Hi guys, today my friend and I will talk about the EIA. So, what is EIA? Environment Impact Assessment (EIA) is related to a study of evaluating the environment impact on a proposal project. However, the United Nations Environment Programme defines the Environment Impact Assessment as a tool used to identify the environment, social, and economic impact of a project prior to decision making. So, we can know that EIA can help us to try to identify the various impact of a project before we making decision to build something. The impact can be environment, social, and economic impact. Characteristic of EIA. They have 10 characteristics of EIA. First, EIA is a structured, systematic, and comprehensive approach. Second, it is a systematic evaluation of all significant environmental consequences. As we know, EIA is a tool to identify the environment, social, and economic impact of the project. The EIA also is a process which can force the developer to reconsider their proposal, because when the EIA determines the project will damage the surrounding environment, the project team must revise their project again. Next, EIA is also a process leading to a statement to guide decision making, so the developer can make sure their project will not damage the environment of the project area. The other characteristic of EIA is EIA has a potential to increase developer accountability to the public, because after the EIA process was completed, public can know the impact of the project for the environment. EIA should be subject to independence and include a clear statement to identify impact as well as possible alternative development options. Besides that, EIA must consider both environment and economic costs and benefit to maintain the sustainable development. The next one is the purpose of environment impact assessment. They have three main purposes of EIA. The first purpose of the EIA is EIA can inform a manager or public about a project impact to the environment. We know that EIA will assess the environment, social, economic impact of the project before the project starts. So, the EIA report will list out the all possible impact of the project and also the solution to solve it. The other purpose of the environment impact assessment is EIA can compare the advantage and disadvantage of the project. As we know, the EIA report will show the all advantage and disadvantage of the project. In this way, people can know whether the project is good for our environment, social, and economy or not. If the damage caused by the project is higher than the benefit, so project manager may modify again the project design. Third, EIA will promote the development way which is sustainable and eco-friendly. In this few years, EIA has played an important role in protecting the surrounding environment of the project area. Because the EIA certification must ensure the environmental impact at the project area must be minimized. So, the project management must ensure the project can be carried out, while also ensure the surrounding environment is not seriously affected. Next will be the benefit of EIA. They have 5 benefits of EIA. First, EIA can screen out the environmental unsolved project. As we know, the main purpose of the EIA is ensure that the all project will not damage the surrounding environment. Therefore, EIA can help us to select the projects that are benefit to our environment, social, and economy. So, the projects that do not meet the EIA requirement will not be approved. The second benefit of EIA is purpose to modify the project design to reduce the environment impact. For those projects that have an adverse impact on the environment, will be required to modify again their project design. Third, EIA can also identify the feasible alternative. After determining the impact of the project to the surrounding environment, EIA can help the project manager choose the best solution. Because the EIA report included the possible impact that may happen to the environment and also their solution to solve it. The next one is EIA can predict the significant adverse impact. EIA will assess the severity of the project impact to the environment before the project starts. So, EIA will help us to avoid them when we plan the project design. The last benefit of the EIA is help to identify the mitigation measure. After the EIA, we will be able to know the possible impact of the project. This impact included environment, social, or economic impact. Therefore, EIA can help the project team develop a solution to minimize the environmental impact of the project. Principle of EIA. They have 8 principles of EIA, which is participation, timely access for interest parties, transparency, open and accessible assessment decision, certainly, timely agree in advance, credibility, undertaken with objectively, and the other principle was accountability, particularly cost effectiveness and flexibility.